Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close an Etsy shop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and access a particular Etsy seller app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, simply get yourself signed in, or right afterwards you're gonna find your shop's information. Go ahead, tap on this shop manager. After you have tapped on it, it will show you this option of settings, right? You're gonna select that settings option, and then it will show you this close shop. Once you have tapped on this close shop, it will ask for you to provide a reason for it. Once you have provided the reason, it will ask for you to reconfirm it, and then once you have reconfirmed that particular reason for it, you will be able to close your shop just like that. But make sure that if there are pending purchases or some returns pending, make sure you complete all of the work of yours in that shop on Etsy, and then only close your account, close your shop. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.